After rewatching Zootopia, you start noticing how insanely accurate the animal details really are. That walrus captain sleeping with his eyes wide open? Totally real. In real life, walruses float on their backs while sleeping because their heavy bodies naturally turn belly up. Then there's the antelope pop star, who clearly doesn't like the zebra cop, and that's not random. In nature, zebras and antelopes don't get along at all, and zebras are known to attack antelope calves. Dr. Mao, the therapist, is inspired by the quokka, often called the happiest animal on Earth, famous for its calm, smiling face. And those beavers in construction helmets? Perfect choice. Beavers are literal engineering machines in the wild. So now tell me, what Zootopia detail shocked you the most? Drop it in the comments, and let's see who really paid attention.